Hi everybody. I wanted to post this just as a way to offer some words of encouragement. We're all stuck inside. We all have to practice social distancing. It kind of stinks, and I'm going a little crazy. You probably are too. But this is our responsibility. And even if we're not worried about getting sick ourselves, we have to practice social distancing so that we don't spread this to anybody. So, in the meantime, even though this isn't how I wanted to spend my spring break, um, I'm going to spend this time catching up on work, learning some new things. There's plenty of tutorials online that I plan to check out, things that I haven't had time to do, and I'm going to get to them. I'm going to spend some time relaxing and catching up. So, even though it stinks to have to stay home, we do have to do this. It's our responsibility. So, what I'd like to encourage you to do is to stay positive. Reach out to people that you know that might be lonely. This is going to mess with people's heads. So, reach out to them, especially relatives, older relatives. Just check in a couple of times a day just to say hello. Communicate as much as you can electronically. Stay positive, stay well, and we're going to get through this, and pretty soon we're going to be back to life as normal. So I hope this helps. I hope you're all doing well.